In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting landing page in Mailerlite. We'll start by getting to the right place. Once you're logged in, head to the Sites tab in the main navigation and open Landing Pages. This area is your hub for creating focused, standalone pages that capture subscribers without needing a full website. Next, create your new page. Click Create Landing Page, give it a clear, descriptive name, and select Save and Continue. The name is for your internal reference, so make it meaningful, like the campaign or offer it relates to. Good naming helps you find and analyze your pages later without confusion. Before you design, tell Mailerlite where to put new signups. Choose the subscriber group that should receive contacts from this page. Groups keep your audience segmented, so pick one that aligns with the page's purpose, such as a newsletter interest, a waitlist, or a specific lead magnet. This choice ensures your automations and email sequences fire for the right people as soon as they sign up. Now choose how you want to build the page. You can start from a template or use the AI builder to generate a layout quickly. Templates are great if you prefer a proven structure for webinars, ebooks, or product launches. The AI builder can speed things up when you have a goal and a bit of copy ready, but want a first draft of the layout. Either way, you'll be able to edit everything in the next step, so pick the option that gets you moving fastest. With your builder selected, it's time to design using the editor. Replace placeholder headlines with a clear promise and benefit, and keep your main call to action visible above the fold. Swap in your images or graphics, adjust colors and typography to match your brand, and use short, scannable sections so visitors understand the offer quickly. Add or remove blocks as needed, like features, testimonials, FAQs, or countdowns, to support your message without clutter. Pay special attention to the sign-up form. Confirm it's connected to the group you selected and tailor the fields to ask only for what you truly need. You can customize the button text, set a success message or redirect, and include consent language if your audience requires it. Preview the page on mobile and desktop to make sure spacing, font sizes, and buttons are easy to read and tap. Save your work frequently and use the preview to double-check links, headlines, and form behavior. That's it. You've navigated to landing pages, created your page, selected the right group, chosen a builder, and designed everything in the editor for a clean, conversion-focused result.